Turn the lock to the door, like I've done so before. I cast a shadow that jumps for the ceiling, while body falls fast to the floor. And thinning blood made its way, and it coursed through my veins. A lighter head like the scourge though listless, and a heavy heart that coddles the pain. But I've been running around, baby, with my head in the clouds. But wishful thoughts never stopped the thunder that drove my head back to the ground. I see shame in their eyes as I come stumbling by, staring hard with their hands slightly pointing. I wish someone held on to mine. But I've been running around, baby, with my head in the clouds. But wishful thoughts never stopped the thunder that drove my head back to the ground. No, no, no. I see shame in their eyes as I come stumbling by, staring hard with their hands slightly pointing. I wish someone held on to mine. But I've been running around, baby, with my head in the clouds. But wishful thoughts never stopped the thunder that drove my head back to the ground. No, no, no. And here are the last words I'll say before I go away. Silent lips forcing pen onto paper that'll go to